Hello again, welcome back to Risa's Attic. As you know, Hobby Lobby is having I think they do it twice a year. They're having their 75% clearance sale going on. I bought quite a few items the other day. Not nearly as many as I wanted to, but since I'm not independently wealthy, I can't buy everything I want. But we are going to do a flip through, a page by page, on this one kit, paper kit that I got. Like I've said before, it's primarily for scrapbooking, but I cut down the pages and I make cards out of them. So, first and primarily, it was $9.99, but I got it for $2.49. Woo! Let's see, I have myself some little pieces of tape. You can see here's a piece here. I have pieces down here. Piece over here, so I have to try to keep myself within these lines. All right, this is by Me and My Big Ideas, right there, and it is a 12 by 12 scrapbook kit, and it's ocean themed, and I am just so particularly in love with this. It's gorgeous. First of all, we have some stickers. We've got these gold glitter alphabet. We've got some jewels in ocean tones and ocean colors. You've got the ocean in a chipboard with a piece of foam on the back. Other little pretty, absolutely, I love this one. The little sand dollar. I want to look at this sheet a little better. These are gorgeous. Oh my gosh. You've got this real long flourish, kind of reminiscent of sea waves. And a predominant color in this is, it's like a mint or a light turquoise. I don't know what it's called, a light teal perhaps even, but it's so popular right now and it's so gorgeous. Let's see, what did I do with my little, let me show you my little friend. All right, that crab right there is amazing. Detail, beautiful. Some nautilus. Those are always, I've never found a nautilus in real life. Here's a page that is something that I would think has to be used in a scrapbook. I don't really see how I could cut this down unless I just completely cut off the edges, but this would look great in a scrapbook page. Kind of the multimedia effect. You've got a, not a sand dollar, but a, dang it. You know, I get nervous in front of people. There's sand dollar. There's that 5-arm thing. There's another sand dollar. Seaweed. This is exceptionally beautiful, and I think I'm going to be able to use most of this in making cards. I like to kind of frame it out in my mind. How am I going to do this? This will make a great background. 5 by 7, 4 by 5. This is going to make some great pictures. I mean, some great cards. They're not double-sided. These I have found make great when you make the inside of your card. the part where you write on, I've begun, if I have any type of paper like this that has horizontal lines on it, I cut it out to the size of the page, and I'm using this to write on. And I think I just remembered what this little creature is called. I bet you remembered what it's called. It's a starfish. Wow. That's beautiful. Love all of this right here. Of course, if you are using it for scrapbooking, these are amazing. And this last page here has my current favorite color, this turquoisey, teal, light, minty green color. It seems to be everywhere right now. Now this thing right here, I'm going to pop out all of its little pieces, and I am going to keep this as a tool for making swirls on a paper, a card. You could even, if you have, just get out any old card I can throw my hand on. Of course, it's red all the way through. I want one with a white center. Okay. The interior of a card, or even the exterior of a card. You use it just like a stencil. And I know you know how to do stencils. These are not cooperating very well. There we go. Can we see that? Let me do it this way. There we go. I'm sure you can see that now. And then you take your spray. How's that? Isn't that pretty? Very delicately sprayed, but it makes such a pretty little design there. So that's what I'm going to use it for. I don't know what the original purpose was for, but that's what I'm going to use it for. I may spray it with a clear varnish or a clear acrylic spray, so that'll preserve it and it won't, because mostly what you use for stencils are water-based. So I might need to put something on here to seal it up from water. All right then, so this is from me and my big ideas. The collection is called Ocean, and it is a Mambi kit. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. If you enjoy what you've seen, give me a thumbs up. If you think you'd like to be part of my channel, where I'm basically just chronicling what I'm learning, and where I learn it from is primarily you folks on YouTube. God bless you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.